Have you ever wondered how some people earn free flights while others drown in debt? The secret lies in how you use your credit cards. Today we'll uncover the surprising benefits and hidden risks of credit cards, and our last tip might change how you use them forever. Welcome back to Financial Blueprints. If you're new here, we're all about helping you take control of your finances. Today we're diving into the world of credit cards, their benefits, their risks, and how to use them wisely. Stick around until the end for a crucial insight that can make all the difference. First, let's explore the benefits of credit cards. One major advantage is rewards. Many credit cards offer points, cashback, or miles for every dollar you spend. These rewards can add up quickly, providing significant value if you use your card responsibly. Imagine booking a free flight or earning cashback just for making everyday purchases. Another benefit is building credit. Using a credit card and paying it off on time can help improve your credit score. A higher credit score can lead to better loan terms and interest rates in the future. Credit cards also offer fraud protection. If your card is lost or stolen or has unauthorized charges, you can report it to your card issuer and often get your money back. Now, let's talk about the risks. Credit cards can lead to debt if not used carefully. It's easy to overspend and carry a balance from month to month, leading to high interest charges. High interest rates can quickly turn small purchases into significant debt, making it harder to pay off your balance. Another risk is the temptation to open multiple credit card accounts. Each new account can impact your credit score and make it harder to manage your finances. Credit cards also come with fees like annual fees, late payment fees, foreign transaction fees, and more. These fees can add up and negate any rewards you might earn. So, how can you use credit cards wisely? Start by setting a budget and sticking to it. Only charge what you can afford to pay off in full each month. Set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. This helps you avoid late fees and interest charges. Regularly review your statements for any unauthorized charges and report them immediately. This helps protect you from fraud and keep your finances secure. And now, for our crucial insight, if you find yourself carrying a balance month to month, consider transferring it to a card with a lower interest rate or 0% introductory APR. This can help you pay down your debt faster and save on interest. So there you have it, the benefits and risks of credit cards and how to use them wisely. By understanding these aspects, you can make informed decisions and use credit cards to your advantage. If you haven't seen our previous videos on understanding credit scores and debt management strategies, be sure to check them out for more foundational tips. And stay tuned for our next video on how to choose the best credit card for you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Financial Blueprints, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Until next time, take care and stay smart with your money.